welcome to my channel from Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. If you are already subscribed, thank you so much for coming to watch this video. If you are new, I hope you will enjoy this enough to subscribe to my channel. I am coming back with some more project shares, and this one is for Craspire. And so I had these dies here that I had unboxed, and I'll link that video up here. And so I made a card with that, and so this is the card, and I just cut these out twice, and so I could give it a little bit of dimension. I see that you can see I popped them up a little bit with some pop tape on these two, and so I cut them out twice. I cut this out with some cardstock, and then I cut it out with some printed cardstock, and just this was a sticker from something, so I put some glitter glue on that, popped it up on this red cardstock with some, you know, the funny scissors like these. I just cut around that because I didn't have like these funny dies like I do now. So I don't think I did. Oh, I did just put this on the inside, and so that's the card that I made for this die. Not too bad, I don't think. Not really good at making cards, but so I'll be having all these cards for next year. And then we have this card that I made with these dies. And so that's these ones here. So I just used these taller ones here. And then I just, yeah, I didn't really care much for this one here, so I just used these ones that came with it. So I cut this little deer out. This is Maggie Holmes deer, and then I took some vellum, polka dot vellum, and put it down here, and then just this little cardinal. These are some vellum snowflakes, and these are the words, just merry and bright. And I popped this up on some pop dots, and then that's the inside. I haven't really done much for that. So I thought this is pretty, this would be nice for, like, you know, a guy, a man or something for Christmas, you know. So there's that. So that's those two projects. And then, so since we'll get out of the Christmas spirit for a second, this is this die here with the ice cream cones and these borders. Love these borders so much. I wasn't quite sure what that was for, but here's what I made with this die here. I just used like some tannish peachy color, creamy color cardstock for the cone. Has the waffle cone and has the regular cone with it. And then it also came with the cherry here, which I just cut this twice and just cut the stem off of here. And then it comes with the little scoops right there of the ice cream. So I just used the one die, the one stitching, and made 2 scoops. Kind of inked around the edges there. And then this sticker is from Maggie Holmes. Then I just cut the border out twice and glued it together to give it some dimension there. Did this on the inside of the card. And so that is it for this card here. And that is it for this Craspire video. And I will, of course, have all the links and everything in there. I don't think that, I'm not sure they even have the Christmas ones out right now. But I love this die here. And so I appreciate y'all taking your time coming to watch this video. I really do. And I will have one more video project share for Craspire. So I thank you so much for watching this. I hope you have a great morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. I hope you're having fun. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.